Namaste. I, JV and Dr. Priya K. Pillai, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, JOD Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I am going to deal with the rest of the portions in Trivida Karma, that is Paschat Karma. Okay, in Paschat Karma, there are some set of rules and regulations which should be observed or carried out after performing the Shodhana Karma, and it is having very important role in protecting and increasing the Agni gradually. Okay, thereby these procedures will help in bringing back the body to normalcy. Okay, as we know that all the cause for all the manifestation of almost all the diseases Agni Mandya. So if that Agni should be corrected, there will be after Shodhana also there will be imbalance in that of Agni, or there will be Mandata of the Jadagagni. So in order to make it proper, we will go for Paschat Karma. Okay, in that we will go for Peyadi Samsarjana Krama, Tarpanadi Samsarjana Krama, and Rasa Samsarjana Krama. Peyadi Samsarjana Krama is advised in those who have undergone Shodhana like woman, Virijan, in Mandagni Purusha and Vilangita Purusha for Agni Sandukshanartha. After Vamanadi Samshodhana Krama, the Janaragni should be made strong by giving Peya first, then Mamsarasa at the last. That is by giving light foods, and it should be gradually increased to the heavier foods. Okay, by that we have to increase our Agni little by little. The classification of Samsarjana Krama, as I explained before, is of the three types: Peyadi Samsarjana Krama, Tarpanadi Samsarjana Krama, and Rasa Samsarjana Krama. The order of Peyadi Samsarjana Krama is पेयामिलेवीं अकृतं कृतं च यूषं रसं त्रिद्विरथैकश्च क्रमेण सेवेत् विशुद्धकायः प्रधानमध्य अवर शुद्धि शुद्धः. It is told by Charagacharya in his Siddhisthana first chapter. He told that the Samsarjana Krama should be decided based on the number of Vegas. Okay, and it starts with the Vilepi, Peya followed by Vilepi, then Akrita Yusha followed by Krita Yusha, Akrita Mamsarasa followed by Krita Mamsarasa, then finally the normal diet. Okay, then the duration of Samsarjana Krama will depend upon the level of Shuddhi that is attained, and according to the Shuddhi, Ayurveda, in Ayurveda there are two Annagalas, and according to the Shuddhi, for Pradhan Shuddhi, 3 Annagala should be observed for 7 days. 1 Annagala means 1 meal time. Okay, then for Madhyama Shuddhi, 2 Annagala should be there for 5 days, and for Avara Shuddhi, 1 Annagala should be observed for 3 days. According to the quantity of eliminated dosha, Susruta have advised the duration of Samsarjana Krama based on the quantity of Hrida dosha. Okay, Hrida dosha means what? Eliminated dosha. And he told that if dosha is expelled one prastha, that is Avara Matra, that is 1 Annagala should be observed each of Peya, Manda, Vilevi, Odana, etc. And if it is half Adaga, that is for Madhyama, 2 Annagala should be observed each of Peya, Manda, Vilevi, Odana, Mamsarasa. And for if it is eliminated 1 Adaga, then it is Uttama. Then 3 Annagala should be observed for Peya, Vilebi, Peya, Manda, Vilebi, Odana, Mamsarasa, etc. And Susruta also told that the Samsarjana Krama should be considered based on the Bela, Agni, etc. of the person. And according to the Bela, he told that if it is Pravara Bela, 1 Annagala, Madhyama Bela, 2 Annagala, and for Avarabala, it should be observed for 3 Annagala. Okay, then Peya is the rice preparation which is obtained by cooking 1 part rice with 14 parts water. And here the properties of shali which is taken should be having rasa of madhura rasa and guna snigdha guna, shida virya, and leghu paka and doshaknada or pitta doshaknada. And peya is having gunas like peya is leghu in nature, and it is good for health, and it will remove tiredness, and it will remove pipasa, kshud, that is hunger, and shrama, that is tiredness and stiffness from the body. And it is good in conditions like Adisara, Daurbalya, Kukshi Rogas, that is the disorders of the GIT, and in the case of Jwara disorder. And also it is Dipana, that is it will increase the digestive power, and it is Pajana, it will digest the toxicity. The toxicity which is present inside the body is Ama. Okay, so Pajana is having the action of Ama Pajan. Okay, that's why it is told that it will eliminate toxin out of the body, and it is having anulomana action, that is it will do the Vadanu Lomana. Okay, And coming to the vilepi, vilepi is the rice which is cooked by adding four parts water to 1 part rice. Okay. Uh, in peya, we will take 1 part rice with 14 parts water, but in case of vilepi, we will take 1 part rice with 4 parts water only. Okay. Here the vilepi is Agni Deepana in nature, that is, it will increase the digestive fire, and it is Hridya, that is, it is good for heart, and it is Grahi in action, and it will also remove Shut, that is hunger, and Trishna, that is thirst. It is Lekhu, that is light for digestion, and also it is having Madhura in Rasa, that is Puran in taste. And it is good during while taking the Snehana, and it is Belya and is having Sandarpana Guna. Okay, Yusha. Yusha is the food item which is prepared by taking 1 part shimbi dhanya added by 18 part water, and it is cooked properly, so that the liquid portion should be more and the solid part should be less. And for medical purpose, we will use krida yusha as well as akrida yusha. Krida means it is processed with the something, and akrida means it is taken as a plate. Okay, and in akrida yusha, we will prepare the thing by taking only 18 parts water along with the shimbidani. But in case of Kridayusha, we will add, along with that, we will add Snehadravyas as well as Saindhavalavana, Shunti, Pipali, etc. Kadudravyas. Okay, this is the difference between Agartha and Kridayusha. Usually, we will take Mudga, and best among the Yusha preparation is Mudga Yusha. And the properties of Mudga is it is having Madhura Rasa, Guna, like Ruksha Guna, Virya, Shita, and Doshaknata is it is Kapha Pitagna in nature, and other karma is it is Varakna as well as Chakshuksha in nature. And the Guna of Mudga Yusha is it is Uttama among the Yusha preparation, and it is having Deepaka Guna, that is, it will increase the digestive fire, it is having Shida, Virya, and Laghu, that is, it will digest very easily and is good in Urdas Dragata Vikaras, that is, disease which occur above the clavicle, and it is used in Kapha vitiated condition also. Mamsadasa. Coming to the Mamsadasa, here plain meat or mamsa is cut into small pieces and is prepared by adding water and is cooked properly. Okay, when it is taken as such without adding anything, it is called as Akrita Mamsarasa, and if it is added along with the Saindavalavana, Pipali, Shundi, etc., Kadudravyas and Sneha, it is termed as Krida Mamsarasa. Okay, and it is of two types, Agrita Mamsarasa and Krida Mamsarasa. The main mamsa we will use for this preparation is the Uttama Mamsa, Aja Mamsa. Okay, and as it is having Tridoshakna property, that is, it is Tridoshahara in nature, and it is Guru, and it is Pinasahara. Pinasahara means it helps in curing of running nose, and it is easily digestible. It is not too cold. That is, it is not too Shida, and it is not too Snigdha in nature, that is Antus in nature, and it will not cause any Daha or burning sensation inside the body, and is good for Dhatus, that is body tissue, and it is not having any Abhishanti Guna. Abhishanti means what? That which increase the secretion inside the body. If there is increased secretion in body, what will happen? It will go to the soils and will block the channels. Okay, so it is not having any Abhishanti Guna. It is the main thing why we are taking Ajamamsa for the preparation of Mamsa Rasa. Then Brahmana, it will increase the bulk of the body. Okay. Next, coming to the Tarpanadikrama, in some of the cases, Acharya Susruda in its Chikitsa Sthana 39th chapter, he told some of the conditions which should be avoided, Payadi Karma should be avoided, and Tarpanadi should be taken. In Kava Pittadikan, Madhya Nityan, Hina Vishodhitan, Abhishandiyet, Paya Abhishandiyet, Tesham, Tarpanadi Krama, Hidaha. That is, he told that in Hena Vishodhira, that is, those who are not undergoing proper purification in Kapha-Pitta predominancy condition, and in case of Madhya Nitya, we should observe Tarpanadikrama instead of Payadikrama. Kapha-Pitte Vishuddhe Alpam Madhyape Vadapaitike Tarpanadikrama Kuryat Peye Abhishanti Charaga Chikitsa. In his sixth chapter, he told that Tarpanadi Krama is indicated if Kapha and Pitta is not expelled properly. That means not expelled properly means what? There will be Ayoga. That is in case of Ayoga of this Shodhana Karma, and in Madhyaba, that is those who are taking alcohols daily. And in Vadapitta predominancy condition, the pair should be avoided because of its abhishendi guna. Okay, that it will, if in these cases, if we are going for payadi karma, means what will happen? It will increase the abhishendi inside the body, so that it will block the channels again and it will further worsen the condition. So it should be avoided. So the here the only difference is that instead of paya, we will go for Swachha Tarpan, and instead of Vilepi, we will go for Ghana Tarpan. In Swachha Tarpan, what we will do? We will take one part Laja. But in case of Paya, we will take one part rice. But instead of rice, we will take one part rice, one part Laja along with 14 parts water. In case of Ghana Tarpana, what we will take one part Laja along with 4 parts water. There is only difference in the quantity of water. Rest in Swachha and Ghana Tarpana, we are taking Laja. Okay, and the properties of laja is it is kashaya madura and rasa, it is having lagu guna and is having shida virya. Okay, next coming to the rasa samsajana, Rasa Samsarjana Krama. Here, after some, we know that after Samsarjana Krama, what will be occurring? There will be Sandukshan of the Agni, that is, Agni will be increased. So, during this time, there may be a chance of increase of some of the dosha. So, to avoid the dosha kova due to the increased Agni, Rasa Samsarjana Krama is observed properly. Okay, here Snigdha, Amla, Madhura, and Hrudya Dravyas are given to elevate the Vata, and Amla and Levana Rasa are adopted for Agni Sandushnartha, and Madhura Tikta Rasa to elevate Pitta, Kashaya, Kadu Rasa for elevate Kapha, and here for as a substitute, the things which we are taken for Madhura Rasa is Buddha, Shida, ripened fruits, etc. And for Amla, we will take Dadima, Chinja, etc. For Levana, Saindava Levana. For Kadu Rasa, Maricha, Shundi, etc. we will taken. For Tikta Rasa, we will take Nimba, Medika, etc. And for Kashaya, we will take Haritaki, Vibhidaki, etc. Okay. And if Samsarjana Krama is not followed after the Shodhana Krama, some of the complication will be happening. Okay, that is, there will be Agni Mandya, Ama, Ajirna, Dhadukshaya, Durbalada, etc. Some of the complication if proper Samsarjana Krama is not observed. Okay, and it is very important for the gradual increase of the digestive Agni. At a stretch also we can't increase our Agni, so gradually it should be increased, then only the digestive power will become proper. Okay, the benefits of Samsajana Krama are यथा अनुरग्ने तृणगोमयाधि सन्दुक्ष्यमाणो भवति क्रमेण महान् स्थिरः सर्वपजस्तदेव शुद्धस्य पेयादिभिः अन्तरग्निः. In Charaga, in his Siddhisthana first chapter, he told like that, just as a small flame of fire which will be get ignited after adding of dry grass, that is taruna, gome, that is dry cow dung, etc. In the same way, the Agni, which is Mandha after the Shodhana, should be increased gradually by adopting proper Samsarjana Krama based on the Shuddhi. Okay, so that the Agni will become Mahan, that is strong, Sthira, that is stable, and Sarvapachati, it will be able to digest all the things properly. All kinds of food will become digested properly. That much strength will be attained for the Agni. Okay, the Shamana Chikitsa should be adopted only after the observation of Paschat Karma after the Shodhana. Okay, don't give Shamana Aushadis along while observing the Samsarjana Krama. Only after the completion of Samsarjana Krama we should go for Shamana Aushadis. Okay, I hope you understood the topic which has taken today, and if you are having any queries, please do mention in the comment box below. I will try to resolve it. Thank you.